Hi, I'm Sue. I'm from Grey Gum Farm. We're in the Hunter Valley in Australia, and it's autumn here. And so I would like to give you a tour of our property. And this month I'm going to be focusing on our deciduous trees that to show you with our lovely autumn colours here. So I hope you do enjoy this. This is part of Gail's Southern Living Garden Club tour. So shout out to Gail for organising this garden collaboration for us all. So I hope you enjoy this tour, and if you do, please do like and subscribe, because if I can get 1,000 subscribers, then I'll start to be paid for the ads that they put in front of my videos. So if you could help me out with that, that would be great. Thank you. Here we have one of our liquid ambers. It's looking lovely in its autumn leaves, and beside it is one of our bunya pines, and that is enormous. And here we have a couple of more liquid amber trees that are just down below the house here, and they're interesting how these ones have not got their autumn colours on nearly as much as the first one. And there's a cow down there for a bit of a sense of scale of these guys. So they're a lovely sized tree. And we do have a couple of more liquid ambers over the other side there too. Those are liquid ambers as well over there, but they also are really quite green still. But I'm pretty sure that they're not nearly as in such a sunny position. I think the first one had the sunniest position, so yeah. So I think that's probably the difference in the colour, or how quickly they colour up. So we've got a little group of 3 ginkgo trees here, and they are native to Southeast Asia, and they're a very interesting tree. They turn this lovely golden colour in autumn. Out near the front gate we have a beautiful golden ash tree, which is in lovely colour at the moment. And then just across from it, this very tall one over there, that is a claret ash, and it is beautiful too. Might get a little bit redder yet before the season finishes. Yes, so that's the top of the claret ash, and as we come down the tree it's still quite green. And just next to the claret ash we've got this, I'm not sure what this one is, but its leaves go really quite bright orange, as you can see here. It's just starting to go a fair bit shorter than the ash. And then we've got some flowering pears over there that haven't turned yet. Most of our crepe myrtle trees haven't changed colour yet either. Actually, they are one of the last trees in autumn that changes their colour. And the goras are still looking lovely, the pink and the white below the ponytail palms. Our pansy garden is coming along quite nicely. All the lovely colours. Mum loves the pansies. I love this purple and yellow. How beautiful is that one? Just stunning. Ooh. And here's the reverse. Yellow with purple. Gorgeous. Oh, how do you choose? They're all so beautiful. I wonder which one's your favourite. I think this one. This one's gorgeous. It's so sweet. A little bit smaller. Just beautiful. Got this beautiful mound of salvias here. This one beside it is Waverley, which is sort of has a purple spike with white flowers. And this is not Waverley, but it's about twice the size. Absolutely enormous mound. Be about 4 or 5 metres across, and 3 or 4 metres high, and it's again got the purple spikes, but with little lavender flowers rather than the white. And the bees love it. This salvia is absolutely alive with birds. All those movements are all different birds getting around in there. What's this little one? He's got a yellow face. Might be a Lewin's honey eater or a yellow-faced honey eater. Who've we got on the top there? We've got pink gerbers here along underneath the window in all different colours of pink. They're looking lovely still. The gerbers are just such good value. They flower for such a long period of time during the year. And then just opposite that, so we've pulled out all the zinnias now, and in their place we have put some little tiny Californian poppies, and they'll be beautiful, okay, as they get bigger. So we've got quite a few little Californian poppies in there at the moment, and an agastache, and another lovely beautiful salvia. This is Cathedral Deep Blue, I think, purchased from Bunnings. My pots of greens that I've got that I pick and give to the chickens. Make sure they have some greens each day. So we've got some lovely sorrel there, and then some raspberry sorrel, which has lovely red veins in the leaves. That's really pretty. And then we've got some horseradish and comfrey. All lovely leaves for the chickens. Well, and us. I love sorrel. And how beautiful is this feathery grass here? I mean, those little wafty tails sticking up in the air just looks so pretty. And here we have a super important plant, and that is our pet grass. And the dogs love coming along and giving all this a nibble. Very important. We like having little bird baths and things to hold water in the garden for all the lizards and the fairy wrens. Even the butterflies like to come down and have a drink. This is all looking lovely. This is a seed bird feeder for the finches, the red-browed finches. We get a lot of those that come here. Little red-browed finches are all coming in to have their feed. Then we have a few little citrus trees down here that we keep pruned fairly short so that they're easy for us to harvest. We've got navels and valencias. We've got a lemon, we've got a kumquat, we've got a mandarin. We love our citrus. Oh, and look at this fine fellow. This is our beautiful frog sculpture. So he's carved by a local artist, sculptor, who out of sandstone. I just love him. I love how all his spots, getting lovely lichen spots on his back, just like a real frog.
Because of dry skin. Towels.
Right.
Dry your skin.
Yeah.
And cheap and
And then we've got the path across to Kathy's, which is looking spectacular at the moment with all her ornamental grape covering it, the veranda. Beautiful. And then just above Kathy's, along the road there, we've got a couple of lovely ornamental pears, flowering pear trees that are just starting to, well, actually they've dropped a fair few of their leaves already. We used a fair few of those leaves off the ornamental pears for the confetti at the wedding. That was lovely. So this is out the back of Kathy's cabin here. Got some lovely trees to the west of us, which is where the sun goes down, of course. So they shade her house from the hot afternoon sun. This big one here right beside the house, it is an Acer. I think it's Acer Negundo. And just beside it is a small crepe myrtle, not a white one. So the other colours can react differently to the season. Obviously this one has coloured up a lot earlier than the white ones. And just past this Acer Negundo and crepe myrtle here, we've got some lovely Chinese maples. And not sure what these three on the uphill side of between the two tracks are. They've lost most of their leaves already. I'll check with Kathy and Mum and report back to you. So just before I finish the tour, I thought I could not miss out on showing you our cubby house tree, which is a weeping mulberry. I have, of course, covered this before, but it's just so lovely. If you're new to the channel, can't miss this one. The children love playing in under here. It's this little room inside the tree, under those tortured branches. It's lovely. This one's beautiful, and it's different from all the rest. I'm not sure what it is. I'll ask Mum and I'll put it on the screen. Well, it hasn't been in long. It's not very big, but it is going lovely. Beautiful colour in autumn. Thank you so much for joining me on our garden tour this month, and I hope to see you next time. See you later.